Greeting folks, welcome back. In our previous class, in our previous class we looked at what we call independent events, and we said when we have conditional probability of an event is equal to probability of A given B. In this case, we are saying the events A and event B are not independent or are not dependent. Okay, don't confuse yourself with those terms anyway. They are independent. So let's look at dependent event and what do they mean. Dependent events are the events whose probability varies according to the changes in conditions. For example, the probability of drawing a queen spade from a standard set of playing card is 1 out of 52. If you don't know the concept of playing card actually, and if you wanna learn the probability, go discuss, go do a good research, because that is where we base our concept of probabilities most of the time. So probability of drawing a queen spade from a standard set of playing card is 1 out of 52. Remember, we have 52 cards in a standard deck, and queen spade, we have only one of queen spade, so we're going to have 1 out of 52. Interesting, right? Now imagine we know that the card drawn is a spade. All right. Now we have 13 spade and 13 heart, and so on. So we have now known we have drawn a spade. What is the probability of getting a queen spade? Interesting, right? Our sample space has changed. It is no longer 52 the entire deck. It is now 13. So we want to know if this the probability of getting a queen spade has increased. In fact, it will be 1 out of 13. Interesting, right? So now the probability, let's now use the terms. The probability language. Let's say A is getting queen spade and B is getting spade. Probability of getting spade, queen spade, is equal to 1 out of 52, right? What we have seen here. And the probability of getting queen spade, given that the card selected was spade, is equal to 1 out of 13, right? So probability of A is not equal to probability of A given B. They are not equal. So in this case, we say these probabilities are in these two events, this event here, are dependent events. Then from here is where we're going to develop the concept of conditional probabilities. How? Let me see what I have here. All right. Another situation. Let's assume that instead of a spade, the card you have drawn is a queen, right? Interesting one, eh? So the card you are drawing is a queen. Queen. What is the probability of getting queen spade? Remember, we have 4 queen, and out of 4 queen, 1 of it is queen spade, and in this case probability of queen spade has further increased from 1 out of 52 to 1 out of 13. Now we are going to have it 1 out of 4. Interesting. This is again a conditional probability. So if we have maybe C as in A we had queen spade, in B we have spade, and if C is queen, okay, probability of queen spade given queen, so this is probability of A given C is equal to 1 out of 4, 0.25 actually. We said we really prefer to use decimals when we are dealing with this. Now when we have this means again probability of A getting queen spade is not equal to probability of A given C, and in this case again we are going to say the events of drawing a queen and the events of queen of spade are dependent event. Dependent. Great progress, folks. In our next class we are going to look at conditional probabilities. I hope this class is helpful. Thank you and see you then. Enjoy learning.